Hi ABSS Accounting Connect and ABSS Premier Connect users in Singapore. Welcome to today's video tutorial. In this video, we will guide you through how to send aggregated purchases for GST InvoiceNow submission using ABSS Accounting Connect or ABSS Premier Connect. To begin, record your purchase transactions as usual. Select the supplier and ensure you tick the aggregate option, which allows the system to group these purchases for GST InvoiceNow submission to IROS. Once your transaction is ready, navigate to the Purchases Register screen and click on the Aggregate Listings button. Enter your login credentials and click New Aggregate. Select the transactions you wish to include by ticking the relevant checkboxes. Then, click Aggregate and Send to proceed with the GST InvoiceNow submission. You will receive a notification confirming that your aggregated purchases have been successfully sent. After submission, you can view the submission details by clicking the icon at the top right corner of the screen. This allows you to track the GST InvoiceNow submission details sent to IROS. We hope this guide helps you streamline your accounting processes. Thank you for watching.